chemists typically classify matter according to not just properties and characteristics, but also by its chemical properties and reactivity. So for acids and bases, chemists also use reactions to test whether something is or is not acidic or basic. So I've gone back to an earlier slide and I'll refer you to these later points. So it says an acid will react with certain metals to release hydrogen gas, and then the second one, acids react with calcium carbonate to release carbon dioxide gas. Now these reactions may not be that interesting to read, but they represent some fun reactions. It's the same reactions that chemists have been using to see whether something is an acid or base or not. How do we test for carbon dioxide? Well, you may know that carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguishers because carbon dioxide is very good at putting out flames. Here's a splint. It's on fire. Okay, so let's see. Now, watch carefully. It's not going to touch any of the chemicals. It's just going to go into this space above where there should be lots of carbon dioxide. Okay, see how quickly that goes out? So that's how we test for carbon dioxide gas. Again, one way chemists used to, and still do sometimes, test for an acid. Acid and calcium carbonate produces carbon dioxide. There's the test. So this is hydrochloric acid reacting with zinc, because one of the chemical tests we can do to see whether something is an acid or not is to see whether hydrogen gas is produced when it's reacting with a metal. So here we have the hydrochloric acid and the zinc has been reacting away, and as you can see, it's a beautiful visual. You know there's a gas being given off. You see all that bubbling there, all that gas is being given off. But we can also test to see what that gas is. Now, it should be hydrogen gas, and how do we test for hydrogen gas? Well, hydrogen gas used to be known as popping gas. Some people still refer to it as popping gas. And where does the name come from? Well, take a splint, set it on fire. I'm going to blow it out because I just want that little glowing splint there, okay? And if there's hydrogen gas in there. So I hope you've enjoyed learning about the various acids and bases in our everyday lives, and to classify acids and bases by characteristics as well as by chemical properties. But for now, thank you for watching and learning. Goodbye.